Hi everyone! So hope you're all having loads and loads of fun spending loads of quality time at home with your family, and we're really looking forward to seeing you again back in the gallery soon. My name is Sophie and I'm a volunteer with the Golden Thread Gallery, and today I'm going to be giving you a workshop on how to make your own stop motion animated movie in under 10 seconds inspired by the work in our last exhibition. In our first installation of Dissolving Histories, we showed films made by Bassam al-Sabah. He is inspired by Japanese cartoons called anime and how they influenced how he saw the world while growing up in Iraq. When making your movie, consider this. What inspires you? Here is the animation that I made earlier. Please submit your work to us at this email, as we'd love to show off all your amazing work. So you'll need some paper, blue tack, a scissors, pencil, rubber, and your phone. This is my character that I made earlier, so he's just a little sea creature monster man, and I'll just put him down here. To make him, I used a simple guide. So you have to draw the body parts out separately like I've done here, and there should be 14 pieces in total. We draw out the pieces separately as they'll need to overlap to make them movable. So now I'll just cut these out. Once you've done that, stick glue tack all around each joint, matching my example here. The blue tack is what sticks his joints together, but unlike glue, it won't dry out. And here's just a quick demo on where to stick your pieces. And ta-da! That's your fully movable character done. Next you'll need a background, so this is one I made earlier. I used lots of watercolour paint and splashed it all around for a nice seascape. But when coming up with your own background, make yours as unique to yourself as you feel like. Now it's time to set up your camera. But warning! You need your parents' permission to go any further. Have you asked your parents yet? Good, so let's go ahead. Set up your phone like this, stacked under sturdy things like books. Balance the weight so it doesn't topple over either, and make sure you're also getting your parents' help here too. Your page should fill the entire screen so you can't see the edge, just like this. And here's a top tip. Tape your page in place so it doesn't slip around in recording. On your phone, go to the Play Store, or the iPhone equivalent, and download Stop Motion Maker. This is the best app for a beginner, and it's 100% free. But there are plenty more apps out there. I recommend leveling up to Stop Motion Studio. Your videos can be saved to better quality, and there's lots of cool extra features at only really small fees. But that means you can only use this app around your parents, so there's no sneaky bills. Next, you can name your movie. Make sure the image size is 1920 by 1080 and that the shooting mode is manual. Then click New. To take a photo, you just click the screen. You can see how many photos you've taken in the corner of the screen. We want to try and get as close to 100 as we can. When shooting, click the triangle button in the corner, then click Onion On. Onion Skin is a feature that shows the last photo you've taken at the same time on the screen. It makes it easier for your animation to move smoothly, as you can line up your character to the old photo better. Here is a slightly sped up version of the process I did, as it does take quite a long time. Remember, we have to do everything super slowly. The slowly the better. This is how we make realistic movement. A standard animated movie is 24 drawings per second, and I'm only getting us to do 10 per second. Our movies are all under 10 seconds total, so remember to keep it simple. Only do simple actions and keep your story short and sweet. Click the pencil beside your movie to go into edit mode. If you want to delete a photo, slide through them and click it. Make sure only one photo is selected. Then click Delete. Now press back on your phone screen. Change the frame rate to 10. Clicking Preview gives you the best quality video, but if you want to watch on your computer or share it to friends, upload it to your parents' email with their permission. To do this, click Save, then Share to Gmail. Now sit back and marvel in all your hard work. Well done everyone, and I hope you enjoyed watching. And stay tuned for more classes next week. Bye!